Jai Hind दोस्तों, today I have been given a wonderful opportunity to speak on the topic Indo-Pak relation. So for the better understanding and assimilation of the topic, I have divided the topic into three parts. First, the intro, in which I will talk about what is the topic and why it is important. In the main body, I will talk about the challenges and their solution, and in the conclusion part, I will give my opinion regarding this topic. So starting with the intro, Indo-Pak relation has been largely hostile due to a number of historical and political events. Relation between both the nations have been defined through since the violent partition of the British India in 1947, followed by the Kashmir issue and various military conflicts between the countries. However, both the countries have tried to establish friendly relationship by making Agra Summit, Lahore Summit, and etc. So the major challenges that I came upon are like, firstly, the Kashmir issue, secondly, water dispute of the Indus River, and third issue is like the ongoing terror attack on the Kashmir. So talking about the solution for the first issue, that is Kashmir issue, the line of control should be made a permanent boundary, and the countries which occupies their respective areas must occupy that divided by the LOC. Talking about the water dispute, so for the water dispute, the prime ministers and external affairs minister of both the country should come forward, have a diplomatic talk, and bring out the proper solution regarding this. If not possible, then they should take the opinion of the other countries, because the ultimate result should be the taking out of the solution of the dispute, no matter from where it is coming. Talking about the third, that is terrorist attack on the Kashmir issue. So for that, the best way is to capture them, gather the information related to their leaders, their camps where they have established, and also about their groups, or to neutralize them on the spot. So my opinion regarding the topic of the Indo-Pak relation is that if the Kashmir issue is resolved, then half of the problems and conflicts between both the countries is resolved. So countries can focus on their further development by establishing the trade relation, defense relation, and as we all know that both the countries are the neighboring countries, and both are on the growing state. So war is not a necessary way to establish the relation or to solve the issues, because war doesn't bring any fruitful result. Thank you. Jai Hind.